Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the file and selecting the text to remove. Open Coreldraw and import your image, then immediately duplicate the layer so you can always revert. Use Zoom to get a clear view and pick the Pick tool to select the exact text or area. Once selected, switch to the Freehand or Bezier tool to trace around letters if needed. This gives you a vector selection, which is cleaner than a rough marquee. Make sure to keep edge accuracy for later blending. Now you remove and reconstruct the background, focusing on fill and texture. Once your selection is isolated, consider power clip or shaping to protect surrounding artwork, then use the Photo Paint Clone tool to sample nearby texture and paint over the text. This preserves grain and lighting. If edges look hard, apply a small feather or blur to soften them, and use multiple sample points for natural variation. Make sure to check both high and low contrast areas so the fill matches across lighting gradients. Finish by refining edges and confirming the result. You want a seamless, believable replacement. Once done, toggle the duplicate layer on and off to compare with the original. This helps you spot mismatched tones. Use color balance and levels to match exposure, then apply a subtle sharpening or noise to blend texture uniformly. Export at the required resolution and save a layered backup in case you need further edits. If something goes wrong, undo stepwise and resample from a larger surrounding area for better texture matching.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.